So this is a quick tutorial, Holiday Deluxe LX300. I'm going to hit the reset just to get started. Each rhythm here has two different variations, and I'm going to start with like Hawaiian, and I'm going to say, and it comes up and says that's Aloha style. The variation is Paradise. If I click the rhythm preset, it's going to give me a complete preset on the panel. It's going to set up the voicing and the styles to match. I can click Introduction here, and it'll set me up for an introduction. Then all I need to do is play the first chord of my song. It'll play me in. When I come to the end of the song, I can just hit Introduction Ending, and it'll play an ending and play me out. Alright, so in each style works the same way, and then it basically reset and shut that off now that that finished. So we could also do, let's say we want to do Foxtrot. Foxtrot has a Charleston for the variation. It has Champagne music for the standard. So let's try one with Champagne. I'm going to set up for an introduction. I've already pressed rhythm preset, so the panel's already set up to go with it. And I just hit my chord and go. And that's really the whole style. And what you'll do is you go through and explore these different rhythms and presets. You'll find that they work very good for specific songs, and generally they work for a lot of different songs. But these are all your basic styles that you need for any playing. Well, I hope that gets you started. Have some fun with this, and let me know how it goes for you.